All right, this video is about multiplying polynomials. So one way you can multiply polynomials is what's called double distributing. So here we have two binomials. They are two linear binomials, and they are multiplied together. Notice there's no addition or subtraction in between the parentheses now, so they are multiplied together. So you're going to take the first term of the first parentheses and multiply it by the first term in the second parentheses. So x times x, if you remember your exponent rules, when you multiply exponents, you multiply bases with exponents, you will add those exponents. So it's like x to the 1 times x to the 1 will be x squared. You're going to multiply the first with the first in the first parentheses with the second one in the second parentheses. So this will be plus 3x. And now that you've done the first term in both, you have to move to the second term. Remember, you're going to always take the sign with it. So this is not just 4, this is negative 4. So I'm going to take negative 4 times x for a negative 4x, and then negative 4 times 3 for a negative 12. You'll notice that you have some like terms. These two middle terms are like terms. They both just have x's. So if I combine those like terms, I'll have x squared minus x minus 12. And that will be the product of those two binomials. Let's try another one. So here we have, again, two binomials, but these now are quadratic binomials. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to multiply the first terms of each parentheses. So I'm going to have 2x squared times 5x squared. So once again, remember, you're going to multiply the coefficients, so 2 times 5 to give you 10. But when you multiply x squared times x squared, you're going to add those exponents, so it will be 10x to the 4th. Now you're going to multiply the 2x squared times the positive 3. And that will give you a 6x squared. Now you're going to move on to the second term in the first parentheses, and again you're going to take the sign with it, so it's a negative 6. Negative 6 times 5x squared will give you a negative 30x squared, and negative 6 times 3 will give you a negative 18. These are your like terms. The middle two terms are your like terms. So you're going to say 6x squared minus 30x squared. Now I'm adding terms, so I'm going to keep the exponent and just add the coefficients. So this will give me 10x to the 4th minus 24x squared minus 18. All right, go ahead and try the sample problems and let us know if you have any questions.